bears and 2 dogs. Greetings, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva-Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory. We're here to help you find your way around the sky. Every winter you can find 2 bears and 2 dogs in the stars.
That's right, Dean. The bears are called Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, while the dogs are called Canis Major and Canis Minor.
Each pair of constellations is visible in different parts of the sky, and we can show you tricks to finding them easily.
Let's show you. Okay, we have our sky set up for 9:30 p.m. anytime this week facing north. We're going to start by finding the 2 bears in the sky, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. One is really big, bright, and easy to find, while the other is smaller, fainter, and almost impossible to find.
But before you go looking for bear shapes in the stars, let's start simple. A little to the northeast, you'll find one of the most recognizable star shapes in the sky. It's standing on its handle, as it has done every winter evening for thousands of years. It's the Big Dipper.
Now, the Big Dipper is not an official constellation. It's more of an unofficial constellation we call an asterism. The Big Dipper is only part of the larger constellation Ursa Major, or the Great Bear.
Wow, that's a big bear. And although it might be tough to imagine a giant bear with a head, paws, and claws up there, just remember that the Big Dipper marks the big bear's rear end and tail.
You can use the Big Dipper to find the Little Bear. Connect the dots on the 2 stars at the end of the spoon, what we call the pointer stars, and continue that line to the left. You'll run smack dab into a star of similar brightness. This is Polaris, aka the North Star, and it marks the end of the asterism commonly called the Little Dipper, or the tip of the tail for the constellation Ursa Minor, the Little Bear.
The 2 bears are not always in this configuration. As the night moves on, the Big Bear circles with the Little Bear around one focal point, the North Star. Around and around they go. Now we're facing southeast at 9:30 p.m., and this is the area of the sky where the 2 dogs live. With a little help, you can find them even easier than the 2 bears. First, look higher in the sky for the second most recognizable stars in the sky. 3 stars in a row, Orion's belt. Other stars mark as shoulders, feet, and head, but hey, this isn't Orion's show, so let's get back to the dogs.
You can use Orion's belt stars as pointers, just like the stars in the Big Dipper. Connect the dots on these stars and continue the line down and to the left. You'll come to the brightest star in the sky, Sirius, who twinkles, shimmers, and flashes all sorts of colors when it's low in the sky.
Sirius marks the nose of the big dog constellation Canis Major. Sirius is a star larger and hotter than our sun, but shines really bright because it's one of the closest stars to us, at only about 8.8 light years away.
That's still like 50 trillion miles, but some of Orion's stars are 50 to 150 times farther than Sirius.
To find the little dog, look up and to the left of Sirius, and you'll find another bright star called Procyon. Procyon is part of the little dog constellation Canis Minor. Aw, what a cute little doggy.
Canis Minor is not as impressive as his bigger brother. Actually, the tiny constellation only has 2 stars in it, but when you include nearby Gamesa. How do you picture a dog in just 2 stars?
It must be a hot dog. So now you know how to find 2 bears and 2 dogs among the evening skies this January.
Ursa Major and Ursa Minor are in the northern sky after dark, with the Big Dipper acting as your guide.
And Canis Major and Canis Minor are hanging out in the southeastern sky with Orion's belt pointing the way.
Check them out all winter long. Who knows what other celestial creatures you'll see when you keep looking up.